What is the value of the expression 66 divided by 22, then times open parenthesis, 66 divided by 22, close parenthesis. Many people, when solving this question, first go for the parenthesis, and instead of this expression, they write 66 divided by 22, then times 3. In the next step, they go for the multiplication between 22 and 3 because they believe multiplication has priority over division. So, they rewrite this expression as 66 divided by 66, which finally gives them the answer 1. However, this answer is definitely wrong. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this problem, we need to use the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. So, first we go for the parenthesis, because in this expression, parentheses have the highest priority among all the operations. Okay, instead of this expression, we can write 66 divided by 22, then times 3. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have one division sign, then a multiplication sign. It's very important to note that multiplication and division have the same level of priority, and we have to do from left to right. So, first we do the division between 66 and 22. And instead of this expression, we can write 3 multiplied by 3, which finally gives us the answer 9.